The Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Fry Pan 8-inch is a great addition to any kitchen. This pan is like a reliable friend when you are cooking. It heats up quickly and evenly, and food doesn't stick. That makes cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. The handle is comfortable to hold, and it stays cool on the stovetop. For any shopper looking for dependable supplies, this pan is a solid choice. It offers a good balance of quality and ease of use. Taking care of the Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Fry Pan is simple. You can wash it by hand or put it in the dishwasher. This pan is tough, so it will last for a long time. You can use it to cook many things, from eggs to chicken and even a quick dash of vegetables. It's not just for fancy meals. It's perfect for everyday cooking too. If you are tired of food sticking to your pan, the Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Fry is the end of that problem. Overall, the Creuset Toughened Nonstick Pro Fry is a fantastic pan. It makes cooking more enjoyable because it's so easy to use and clean. While it might cost a bit more than some other pans, its quality makes it worth the payment. This pan isn't just a cooking tool, it's an investment in your kitchen. Forget about flimsy pans that wear out quickly. This Creuset pan is built to last and will be a go-to for many meals to come. Pros: metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe to 500 degrees F, even heating, all cooktops, good. For searing, textured interior, durable build. Cons: handle can loosen, flipping can be hard, rubber handle detaches, not fully metal utensil proof. Smaller cooking surface, made in China, limited nonstick lifespan, some find it heavy. Features: heats evenly, fast heating, heat retention, metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe. To 500 degrees F, induction ready, ergonomic handle. This 8-inch Creuset frying pan is made to heat up quickly and spread the heat evenly, so your food cooks just right. It also holds on to heat well. You can even use metal spoons and spatulas in it without scratching it. When you're done cooking, you can just put it in the dishwasher to clean. It's also safe to use in the oven up to 500 degrees. And it works on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. The handle is designed to be easy and comfortable to hold. This 8-inch Creuset nonstick pan can handle metal tools and go in the dishwasher and oven up to 500 degrees F. It heats food evenly and works on all kinds of stoves. Plus it's good for making a crispy outside on food. The inside has a bumpy surface. It's made to last, but the handle might get loose over time. Some people find it hard to flip food in this pan, and the rubber part of the handle can come off. Even though it says it's okay for metal tools, it might not be perfect for them. The cooking area is a bit small, and the nonstick coating won't last forever. Also, some people think the pan feels heavy. It's made in China,